First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this day number 3 on the preparation video of RRB PO and RRB Clerk, we are going to solve some of the memory based question paper that was asked in 2013 RRB Officer Scale 1. So let me move on to this probability question in aptitude section. I think in 2012, in the previous year 2012 memory based question paper, in probability topic they have asked 5 questions, but in 2013 they have asked only 3 questions in the topic probability, right? So let me solve all the 3 questions. So a bag contains 8 red, 3 blue and 5 green balls. So first question, if 4 marbles are drawn at random, what is the probability that 2 are red and 2 is blue? So you know the formula for probability, right? So probability is equal to sum of observation divided by possibility. Our target to pick 4 ball, and out of these 4 ball, 2 ball to be red and 2 ball to be blue, right? So red 8 balls, out of 8 red ball, our target to pick 2 ball, and which is multiplication, and 2 to be blue. So out of this 3 blue, our target to pick 2 blue divided by the total possibility. So 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 will be 16. So 16C4 will be the total possibility. So probability is equal to sum of observation divided by possibility. Sum of observation, our target to pick 4 balls, and out of these 4 ball, 2 ball to be red and 2 ball to be blue, right? So divided by total possible 16C4. So 8C2 can be written as 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2. Similarly 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 divided by 16C4. So 16, 15, 14, 13 divided by 1, 2, 3 and 4. So finally I think we can cancel this, right? 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Similarly we can cancel 2 and 2 here. So next is we can cancel this 4 times 16, 1 2s are 2, 2 times 4, then 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So finally numerator we have 4 into 3 into 7 divided by denominator we have 2 5 14 13. So 2 5 14 and 13. So now I think we can cancel this. 1 7s are 7, 7 2s are 14, right? So 2 2s are 4, we can cancel directly 4 here. So finally numerator we have 3, denominator we have 15, 13 into 5 which is 65. So finally answer for question number 1 is 3 divided by 65. Question number 2. If 2 marbles are drawn at random, what is the probability that both are green? So similarly our target to find a probability, and our target to pick 2 balls, and 2 balls should be of green color. So we can definitely say that out of 5 green, our target to pick 2 green, which is sum of observation divided by possibility, always total number of balls 16 and 2. So finally probability is equal to sum of observation divided by possibility. So overall we have 16 balls and our target to pick 2 balls. So overall possibility is 16C2. And the numerator sum of observation, our target to pick 2 balls, and this 2 balls should be of green color. So 5C2 divided by 16C2. So this can be written as 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. Similarly 16 into 15 divided by 1 into 2. I think now we can directly cancel 1 into 2, 1 into 2 here. Next is 1 5s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So finally numerator we have 1, denominator we have 12. So finally answer for question number 2 is 1 divided by 12. Question number 3. If 3 marbles are drawn at random, what is the probability none is red? So similarly our target to find a probability, but our target to pick 3 balls, out of this 3 ball there should not be any red color, which means our target to eliminate the red color ball. So other than red color ball we have 5 green and 3 blue. So totally we have 8 balls. From this 8 ball our target to pick 3 ball divided by total possibility 16C3. Got it? So none is red, which means our target, all the 3 balls should not contain any red color. So from the remaining color ball we have picked 3 balls divided by total possibility, that is total 16 ball, that is 16C3. So now we need to cancel this. So 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 2 and 3 divided by 16 15 and 14 divided by 1 2 and 3. So we can cancel 1 2 3 1 2 3 here, and now we can cancel 1 7s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Next is 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Again we can cancel this on 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Cancel this on 3 table 5. So finally numerator we have 1. Denominator we have 5 here, 2 here, that is 10. So 1 divided by 10. So answer for question number 3 is 1 divided by 10. So in this 2013 RRB officer exam, in the numerical ability section, they have asked 3 probability questions. Now let me solve this line chart question that was asked in 2013 numerical ability section in RRB officer exam. So in this line chart there are 2 lines. One line is for state A and the second line is for state B, and all the values are given in millions. So the data is 6 different years and 2 different state, and all the values are given in a millions, right? So let me move on to question number 1. For state B, the present rise in population from the previous year was the highest in which of the following years? So listen here, our target to find when compared to the previous year, which year has an highest percentage increase. Interesting question, and these are the questions where most of the students will take 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, even some students will take 3 minutes. Why? Because these are the questions can be directly answered only by seeing a chart, only by seeing that graph. See here, in 2003 we know that the population, they are talking completely about state B, right? State B 2003 were 20 million, 30 million, 35 million, 45 million, 45 million and 50 million. And by seeing the chart, we can directly eliminate this 2006 and 2007. Why? Because in 2006 population is 45 million and in 2007 also the population is 45 million, right? In both the years we have a same million of population. So there won't be any increase or decrease. So we can directly say that 2006 and 2007 is eliminated. Now listen carefully. In 2003 the population is 20 million. In 2004 the population is 30 million. If you ask me what is the answer for this question, I can directly say the answer is 2004 by just seeing the graph. It is easy, right? Why? Because in 2003 20 million, 2004 30 million, how much increase, how much percentage increase, that is important, right? We know that 10 million is increase where the number is not important. Just say in percentage, how much percentage increase. 20 million become 30 million. 20 million, 50%, how much is 50%? 50% is 10. So 10 million is increase. Friends, got it? 20 million, 30 million. So out of this 20 million, 50% will be 10 million. So 10 million increase, it becomes 2004. So we can say that 2003 and 2004 were 50% increase. So friends, got it? Most important, 2003 20 million, 2004 30 million, 10 million is increased, 10 million which is 50% of 20. So we can say that 50% increase. Next is 2004 we have 30 million, 2005 we have 35 million. How much increase? 5 million is increased. So 5 million, I think 10% is 3 million. So got it? Out of this 30 million, 10% will be 3 million. And our here we know that 5 million is increased. So definitely, approximately it will be around 20 or 19%. So 20%, 19% approximately increased from 2004 to 2005. Next is 2005 to 2006, 35 million and 45 million. So 35 million, 45 million, 10 million is increased, and here 10% will be 3.5. 20% will be 7, 30% will be 11.5. So we can definitely say that 30% increase. So here 19 to 20% increase, here 50% increase. Similarly the last 45 and 50, so 5 million is increased, 10% will be 4.5, so approximately 11%. So we can directly say that 50% in 2004, 30% in 2005, then 2008 we have 11%. So the maximum increase, our target to find the highest increase is 50%, which is 2004. So we can directly say that answer for this question is 2004. While learn like this, in the exams you should not do all those stuff. Just by seeing the graph you can directly guess the answer is 2004 for this question, right? If you want, you can solve this question by a formula, which is final minus initial divided by initial into 100. But we don't have time to use a formula here, because in bank exam you need to solve 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Definitely by applying a formula is not at all helpful. So I can just solve you only 1 year, right? So please see here, 2003 2004 we have 20 million and 30 million. So final will be 30, initial will be 20. So 30 minus 20 divided by 20 into 100, final year minus initial year, right? So 30 20 will be 10, 10 by 20 into 100, which is cancelled. So 1 by 2 into 100, which is 50. So 50%, right? Got it. We got the same answer here, 50%. If you want, you can proceed in a formula method, but this will not help you in the exam. Try to solve the question, these types of highest increase or lowest increase in population. Try to solve the question by just seeing the graph alone. Question number 2. What was the average population of state B in millions for all the years together? So our target to find the average population of this total state B, right? And we know that 2003, 20 million, 30 million, 35, 45, 45 and 50. Just we need to add and we need to find the average, right? So I think 30 plus 20, 50. So year 50, 100, 45, 45, 90, 190. 190 plus 35 will be 225, and we know the total we have 6 years, so divided by 6. So 6 3s are 18, 37.5. So finally we can say that average population, which is 37.5 million. Question number 3. What is the percentage rise in population of state A in 2007 from the previous year? It's our target to find how much the percentage rise when compared to the previous year from 2007. So we can say that this 2007 will be the final year and 2006 will be the initial year, and our target to find the percentage rise, which is the percentage change formula. Percentage change formula, just now I have told you, final minus initial divided by initial into 100. And we know that the final year is 2007, which is 40 million. So 40 minus initial year, which is previous year is 30 million. So divided by 30 into 100. And once you cancel this, 10 divided by 30 into 100. Cancel 0 and 0, 100 divided by 3. So 100 divided by 3 will be 33, 1 by 3%. So finally we can say that answer for question number 3 is 33, 1 by 3%, a rise in population. Question number 4. What is the ratio between the population of state A and state B respectively for all the years together? So our target to find what is the ratio of total population of state A and total population of state B. I think in question number 2 we have already found what is the total population of state B for finding the average, right? So we found the total population is 225 of state B, right? In state number A, 30 will be 60, 100, 145. So 170 and 185. So total population of state A is 185 and the total population of state B is 225. So now I think we can cancel this on phi table, right? So this will be 37, cancel this on phi table, 45. So finally answer for question number 4, ratio of total population of state A and state B is 37 is to 45. Question number 5. Population of state A in 2005 is approximately what percentage of its total population for all the years together? So listen the word carefully, approximately what percentage. So by seeing a word what percentage, we can guess that it's a formula, right? X is what percentage of y, x divided by y into 100, and the numerator will be population of state A in 2005. So population of state A in 2005 is 30 million divided by total number of population, just now we have calculated, which is 185 into 100. So x divided by y into 100. So now I think we can cancel this on phi table. So when you cancel this on phi table, this will be 37, cancel this on phi table, 20. So 600 divided by 37. So 137s are 37. So remaining will be 23, 230. 8 3s are 24. So 6 times 16. So our target to find an approximate answer, right? It will be around 16.0 something. So we can say that answer will be approximately 16%. Finally, we have solved this phi question that was asked in RRB Officer 2013 exam. It's easy, right? You can crack this question, all the 5 questions within 2 minutes. Now let me solve phi equation question that was asked in 2013 exam, right? So first question, x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0, y square plus 11y plus 10 is equal to 0. So before finding the factors, first of all, listen here, minus and plus. If the question has minus and plus, then both the factor will be plus and plus. Similarly, plus and plus. If it is plus and plus, then both the factor will be minus and minus. So the x factor, both the terms are positive, and the y factor, both the terms are negative. Without solving this question, we can directly say that answer is x greater than y, because you know that positive will be always greater than. So we can directly say that answer for this question is x greater than y, which is option number 1. Question number 2. x square plus 28x plus 192 equal to 0, y square plus 16y plus 48 equal to 0. So here both the terms are plus and plus, so we can directly say the factor will be minus and minus. Similarly, minus and minus, right? So 192 and here we have 28. So 16 2 will 16 into 12, right? So 16 and 12 will be 199. When you add both the numbers, resultant will be 28. So finally we can say that the factor will be minus 16 minus 12. And here 48, 16, so 12 fours are 48. So finally we can say that minus 12 and minus 4. So first compare 16 and minus 12. Minus 12 is greater than 16 and minus 4. Minus 4 is greater than minus 12 equal to minus 12 minus 4. Minus 4 is greater than. So finally comparing all x value with y value, we got 3 less than and 1 equal to. So finally answer for question number 2 is x less than or equal to y. Question number 4. X square plus 8x plus 15, y square plus 11y plus 30. Similarly, both the terms are plus and plus, minus minus and minus and minus. So 15, 5 3s are 15, so minus 5 minus 3, 30, 6 5s are 30, minus 6 and minus 5. So while comparing minus 5 minus 6, minus 5 is greater than. While comparing minus 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 is greater than, minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 is greater than. So finally while comparing x term with y term, we got 3 greater than and 1 equal to. So answer for this question is x greater than or equal to y, which is option number 2. Last fifth question. X square is equal to 3136. Again y square is equal to 3136. Easiest question. Do not find what is the square root of the number. It is completely useless. Why? Because we already know that x square is equal to 3136. Then x is equal to root of 3136. We will get an answer in plus or minus. Similarly y term we will get plus or minus. So always remember that plus or minus answer is cannot be determined, where the relationship cannot be established. You should not say equal to. So remember that plus or minus it is not equal to. Plus or minus and plus or minus, the answer is relationship cannot be established. So we can say that answer for question number 5, that is x and y relationship cannot be established. So these are the questions in every equation in the clerk exams. They are asking repeatedly the same concept question. So try to practice more and more number of questions that is based on square root, cube root and all. Finally, now we can solve this arrangement question that is asked in 2013 exam. So 3 ladies and 4 men are a group of friends R, M, T, S, L, W and Z. So totally there are 7 members. So our target to find overall ladies and overall men. And also they have given 7 different professions and also each of them owns a different car. So our target to find the gender and also which car he likes and also his profession. Okay friends, point number 1, none of the ladies is a consultant or a lawyer. So ladies is not a consultant and also a lawyer. So T is an air hostess. So T is an air hostess and she works, see here, T is an air hostess and she determines a female person. So we can say that T is a female person and she owns an icon car. Okay, so next point, R owns Scorpio. So R owns Scorpio. Okay. M is not a doctor. So M is not a doctor. Okay, next point is L is a jeweler and E owns. So we can say that E determines L is a male person. So L is a jeweler and this person earns a Corolla. Okay. Next point, W is a lawyer and does not owns Alto. So this person is not own Alto. Z is a consultant and owns Sandro. So Z is a consultant and owns Sandro, right? And in the first point itself, they have clearly told that none of the ladies is a consultant. So we can definitely say that Z will be a male person and E owns a Sandro car and also Sandro, right? So E owns a Sandro car and E is a consultant. Okay. The doctor owns Esteem car. Doctor owns Esteem car. And we know that M is a doctor. Only one possible that this should be doctor and this person should own Esteem car. Okay, whereas the professor owns Scorpio. Professor owns Scorpio. Okay. Okay friends, next point is the travel agent owns an Alto. Travel agent owns Alto. So definitely this will be travel agent, no other way. So this will be travel agent and this will owns Alto. And remaining only one car is remaining. I think the remaining car is, what is the car remaining? Lancer. So Lancer should be placed here. And also we know that at the first point they have clearly told that none of the ladies is a consultant or a lawyer. So consultant should be a male person and also lawyer should be a male person. So finally we have found 3 male, and last point is remaining. None of the ladies own Scorpio. So we can say that Scorpio is also male. So finally we found 4 male, and initially they have told that 4 male and 3 female. So definitely we can say that M, T and S will be the female person. So finally we have fixed all the different 7 professions, and also we have fixed the cars, right? So these are the arrangement question you have to solve within 2 minutes in your exam. So practice more and more number of easiest arrangement and medium level arrangement, those who are going for RRB PO and also for RRB clerk.